Here's a quick rundown of the predictive maintenance solution for embedded world. So the scenario is around using machine learning for predictive maintenance for an HVAC system. So this device here kind of roughly simulates an HVAC system. So we've got the normal operation fan on the left-hand side, and we've got a failover fan on the right-hand side. Now in between that, we've got what's called a vibration motor, and the vibration motor is going to generate some vibrations, and that's going to simulate a failure of the normal operation motor. Now, the way it works is that the vibration motor will start up, and that will generate vibrations, which will be picked up by the accelerometer on the AVNet board. The accelerometer data is fed into the tiny ML model, which is running on one of the real-time cores on the Azure Sphere device. It will detect that there is out of normal operations. A message will be then sent to the high-level application on the Azure Sphere device, and that will then switch off the normal operation fan and switch on the failover fan. A message, if it's connected to IoT Central, a device twin message will be sent to IoT Central, and then ultimately a message to Microsoft Teams. Okay, so the way the demo works, go and press button A, and that'll fire out the vibration motor. And as I mentioned before, what will happen is that the TinyML model will pick up that there is an anomaly or an issue with the normal operation fan, and we'll switch off the normal operation fan, and as you can see, the failover fan has now started up. I can go and press button B to go and reset the demo. And you'll see what happens then. It turns off the failover and turns on the normal operation. Press button A again, and you'll see in a moment, the model picks up there's an issue and turns off the main motor and turns on the main failover. Now, if I did nothing, then after 45 seconds, the demo will automatically reset. Now, the model has been trained with multiple gestures. So there's nothing to, for example, if I go and hit reset here, there's nothing to stop me picking up the board. And in this case here, I'm just going to shake it backwards and forwards. And that should be enough to for the TinyML model to determine there's an issue. And you can see what's happened is that the main fans turned off and the failover is turned on.